Arey Baba, the signal is going on and look at these guys, Ray. Directly crossing the road. See. Of the most terrifying days of my life. Okay, so our engine is also sanded, finished. Only needs paint. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. The date today is 24th March. The time right now is 8:49 a.m. and my exam just got over last week, so exams khatam ho gayi. College is also not started yet, and so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna upload maximum videos to try and kind of grow the channel. So get ready to see more and more videos of like daily stuff I do, some bike stuff here and there. So yeah, be prepared for that. So plan for today is I'm gonna go and service my Apache because Apache service has come. I just got back yesterday from a long trip to Kolhapur. So let's go now, get the bike serviced from the service station, and yeah, that's the plan right now. So let's go. So I think to many people this question must be coming, and today is a good day to answer it. Basically क्या होता है ना, when you don't ride your bike for like a long time. So suppose you serviced your bike and after that you rode it for like very less kilometers, 500 600 kilometers, and service due came back. So after 3 or 4 months you have to service it back, right? So the service due came back. So what you should do in such situation? Should you service your bike or should you not service your bike? So I'll give you my example. Okay, in my example, okay, so my Apache was last serviced at 3000 kilometers. Okay, in May 2020 my Apache was last serviced at 3000 kilometers in May 2020. So May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. It's been almost a year since it's serviced. So after every 4 months you should service it actually, but my bike didn't get ridden so much, इतना नहीं चला है वो बाइक. So क्या हुआ है कि 3000 kilometers I serviced it and still it's at 5432. So in such situations what you should do is so main thing is your engine oil, right? Now there is a key way जिससे आप अपना engine oil identify कर सकते हो. So you remove this, you wipe it up, okay? मतलब unnecessary if you service again and again when your kilometers are not done. So this trick might help you to like identify that okay, मेरा engine safe रहेगा, I don't have to worry, and everything is taken care of. Okay, so now I'm removing my dipstick. So as you can see, this is my dipstick. The phone was not focusing, so I had to keep it on the floor. So this is my dipstick and it has 2 levels of oil. Okay, so इसका oil इधर तक है, right? And the oil is golden in color. Okay, so even though it's not serviced for a long time, the oil is still golden in color and it has 2 levels of oil left. Now what you do is you take this oil on your finger. Once you take that oil on your finger, okay, so this oil is golden, so you can clearly see my finger, right? It's transparent, you can clearly see my finger. That means the oil is still in very good condition. And you do this, right? So when you do this, you have to test the viscosity. So when you do that, you have to test the viscosity of the oil. Now when you're riding karke, the viscosity will go down obviously. So abhi like by experience I've come to know that whenever the viscosity goes down, that time you have to change the engine oil. So abhi even though the engine oil is golden in color, still uska viscosity jo hai wo niche chala gaya. So I have to change my engine oil right now, and that's why I am servicing. So a clear way to identify if your viscosity is gone down or no is just rub it like this. If you feel that it's not like an oil and it's pani jaisa lag raha hai, then your viscosity is gone and you have to change your engine oil. So now I'll ride my bike to the service center and see you guys over there. Okay, so basically this video is how you have to service your bike. Servicing. Okay, so when you're servicing your bike, you have to first come over here. You have to take a token from this guy. Okay, you'll get a number like this. So mine was 14. So you'll get a number like this. Your name will be written. Then you have to go down. So down there service station is there. There'll be too many people, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm scared, but let's see. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to park your bike. Okay, so this I've parked my bike over here. You have to go inside with your documents. Okay. So you have to go inside with your documents and you have to fill. Okay, so you have to come inside. You have to go into that office. Okay, so here the office is there. You have to take a coupon code. So mine was number 14. Then you can just wait over here. Okay, you can wait till your bike gets ready, or you can just go home. So my delivery time is 3 p.m. A form like this. Those were some of the most terrifying days of my life. The thing is, when you are recording and like there's public, no, they feel you're some weird guy with the camera and he's talking to himself and he's doing something very weird. It is. People look at you in a very weird way. So that is very demotivating. Like so I've given my bike for servicing. I will get it by 3 p.m. So this is their showroom. Okay. And they have the Ntorq, they have the Apache. It's like the biggest showroom in Goa. They also have the new Apache 200. Look, yeah, the bike will be done by 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna go home now. So I just went to sleep for 2 hours because there's just too much of the tiredness in my body from traveling yesterday. And I gave my bike in the morning, so now we should go and probably pick it up. Bike is now serviced. Time to get back home. Things I told them to do was readjust my front master cylinder, like top up and see if there are air bubbles. The rear master cylinder also, see if there are air bubbles, just clear them out. Do the clutch alignment, like adjust the clutch and tune the carburetor, change the engine oil, change the oil filter. So it total cost me about 1270. It's pretty decent. 400 rupees labor charges. So yeah, let's head back home now. Just came to Nathan's place. Mr. Hi, hello Manpa, it's been a long time. 20 days of exams and now I got some free time to like go outside and stuff. That's why I came. Abdul's R15 looking gorgeous. Look at the black, dude. Look at the metallic black. Oh my god, it looks so good. Whoa, it's like a very nicely designed motorcycle, man. Amchi Apache is over there, nice and shiny and serviced and clean. Cha-ching. Amchi old memories. The Activa is also over there. Abhi, let's see what to do and all. No plan. Okay, let's just go to check how much work has on our Champion 100 paint by Jitu. This is Nathan's Activa. Yeah, started in one go. A fuel full hammer. So let's go check how much work has been done on our paint. Just reached Jitu's place. I think this is a chassis. Was supposed to paint this and give it on Wednesday, but today is Wednesday and I still see no paint. I don't know, man. When you promise a date, you should give it on that date. Let's see now what he says. I'll call him up. I came to Jitu's place. Amchi chassis full ready ha. Chassis sanded. It all looks clean. So this will be primered now. Today. Tomorrow morning primer and magir paint. So आमचे जे small parts are like the swing arm, the front tee, the main stand, side stand, that is also sanded and it just needs to be primed and finished. Our drum is also done. Drum is also sanded. Drum plate is also done. Just needs to be sanded and painted. And also engine. Okay, so our engine is also sanded, finished. Only needs paint. Shocks have been sanded. Tank is over there. So yeah. Hopefully by this Saturday, all the parts we will get, and we might start doing assembly from Monday. So that's the plan right now. It's time to remove some stickers. Remove some stickers. I want to remove this sticker, this, and the front one. We are in the Nathan lounge. Let's get it. Bro, you look too good, dude. Bro, RTR 200 for me. Bro, lena re. Put on the tripod, no? It looks so clean now. There's nothing on the fenders. There's only red over here. The ART slipper clutch is also removed. This is also very clean now. Only thing is now we have to remove all of these remains that came from the sticker. And to do that, if you take a cloth, dip it in petrol and just wipe it, it will come out. Let's go. Time to put Nathan's next sticker. Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da. good. Officially, the modifications on the Apache have started. Starting with small stuff.